Good morning, students. Today I welcome you to Mathematics online lesson. Our topic is prime and composite numbers. From your mathematics book, Unit 2, page 30 and 31. I am your maths teacher, Christina Shakil. Today let us learn about prime and composite numbers. But before we begin, let us understand what do we mean by natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers can be divided into prime and composite numbers. Now let us start with prime numbers. Look at these examples. Number 1. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. It means 3 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. It means 11 has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, the factors of 17 are 1 and 17. It also has two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So all these numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Thus, prime numbers are natural numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now come to the next, composite numbers. Look at the example, students. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 have more than two factors, so it is composite number. Next, the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. It is also composite number because it has more than two factors. Next, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. It is composite number because the factors of 20 are more than 2. So, these numbers are called composite numbers. Thus, composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than two factors. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. Now students, prime and composite numbers, remember these points. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite number as it has only one factor. Students, as you know that prime numbers have only two factors and composite numbers have more than two factors. So number 1 is the only number that has only one factor. So we can say it is a special type of natural number. Next, number 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Number 2 has only two factors, so it is prime number and also the smallest even prime number. Students, do you know what are even numbers? Any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called as even number. Next, number 3 is the smallest odd prime number. It means 3 cannot divide it exactly by 2, so it is odd number. And students, here is the interesting thing is this, that is the smallest odd prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, there is only one prime number that is even. All the rest of the prime numbers are odd. Here it means 2 is only the prime number that is even and all the other prime numbers are odd numbers. Students, I hope you all clearly understand what are even and odd numbers. For example, 2 is the only even number, even prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on are odd prime numbers. Quickly revise prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers, a number which can be divided only by 1 or itself is called a prime number, like 2, 3, 5 and 41, etc. They can be divided by any other number and the number itself. Composite number, those numbers except one which have more than 2 divisors are called composite numbers. For example, 4 can be divided by 1, 2 and 4. 18 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 4 and 18 are composite numbers. Let's do an activity. Look at the numbers. Are they prime or composite numbers? 49. 49 has more than 2 factors, 1, 7, 49. So it is a composite number. Next, 35. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. So it is a composite number. 33. Factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11, 33. It means it is a composite number. 57. Factors of 57 are 1, 3, 19, 57. It is also a composite number. 41. Now see students, factors of 41 are 1 and 41. It has only 2 factors, so it is a prime number. Then 54. Factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. They have more than 2 factors, so it is composite number. 83. 83 has 2 factors, 1 and 83. So it is a prime number. Now students, let us do some more activities for your better understanding. See this chart, differentiate between prime and composite numbers. This chart shows you the differentiate between prime and composite numbers. In the first column, there are some prime and composite numbers. In the second column, there are divisors of prime and composite numbers. In the third column is the result. So let's start. In the number 1 column, there is a number 37. The divisors of 37 are 1 and 37. So it has exactly 2 divisors. So it is a prime number. Next, 42. The divisors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 14, 21 and 42. So these are more than 2 divisors. It is a composite number. Next, 19. 19 has only 2 divisors, 1 and 19, exactly 2 divisors. So it is prime number. Next, 77. 77 has more than 2 divisors, 1, 7, 11 and 77. It has 4 divisors, so it is a composite number. It means a prime number has exactly 2 divisors. A composite number has more than 2 divisors. Next activity. Here we have a prime numbers chart 1 till 120. Students, it is little bit difficult to find out all the prime and composite numbers from 1 till 120, but students, with the help of this chart you can easily find out the prime and composite numbers. Look at this chart carefully. Students, as you know that number 1 is a special number, so it is in gray color, and all yellow colored boxes contain prime numbers and rest of the numbers are composite numbers. So students, I hope you all clearly understand the difference between prime and composite numbers. Your home task is do exercise 2.2, page number 31, question number 1 and question number 2 in the book. Do question number 3 till question number 5 from book, page 31. You are requested to solve your homework in your maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of your home task. Thank you, students. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.